back here on Miss Monique. Taking out the dash hardware here, which I find ironic because the last time somebody pulled the dash out, I don't know if I covered this, but the wire's not in the right spot. So we'll correct that. Okay. Pulling out hardware. Alright, there's that part. We'll get the other one out. Then we'll work our way up here to the top. Alright, we've got the cluster out. Things unhooked. I think we're going to need to make a feed for the clock because we are adding it. But we've got everything out here right now. Next step's going to be getting that defrost vent back there. There it is. Getting that out the rest of the way. And I want to pull the rest of this dash pad. Just have everything out. And then we can clean up stuff and start putting things back together. Alright, so we got the cluster out, as you could see. Now there's studs on the back of the pad. On the inside, let me put on some light. Turn out the lights. Ooh, hello. But there's studs up in here. We gotta go take all those nuts off. And we're gonna pull this down. Got the column loosened up a little bit so I could get the cluster past it. And get that. I need to get that out still, but we're coming along.